One of the biggest questions students and young professionals face is, what do I want to do with my career? And once you start answering that question, many more follow. Which career path should I choose? What skills do employers actually want? How do I gain those skills? How do I stand out in applications and interviews? How do I land a role that aligns with my interests and goals? Career planning can feel overwhelming. The good news is that AI can help, but probably not in the way most people think. Many people use AI simply to generate resumes, cover letters, or LinkedIn posts. While AI can certainly assist with those tasks, the real value comes from using AI as a thinking partner, not a content factory. The goal isn't to let AI build your career. The goal is to use AI to help you make better career decisions. AI is a career partner, not a career decision maker. When it comes to your future, there are certain decisions that should remain yours. AI doesn't know what motivates you, what kind of work excites you, what values matter to you, what lifestyle you want, what risks you're willing to take. Only you can answer those questions. However, AI is extremely effective at gathering, organizing, and analyzing information. That's where collaboration becomes powerful. Think of it this way. AI provides information. You provide self-knowledge. Together, those create better career decisions. Career exploration. Discovering possibilities. The first stage of career planning is exploration. Many students feel pressured to choose a career before they've fully explored their options. This is where AI can help expand your thinking. Instead of asking, what career should I choose? Try asking, what careers combine my interest in environmental science and data analytics? Or, what emerging careers are growing in the sustainability sector? Or, what alternative career paths exist for someone interested in journalism and communication? AI can introduce possibilities you may never have considered. Industry research and market insights. AI is particularly strong at helping you understand industries and market trends. For example, you can ask, which industries are growing rapidly? What skills are most in demand? Which roles are emerging because of AI? What certifications are valued in specific industries? This type of research can save significant time and provide a useful starting point for deeper investigation. AI helps you see the bigger picture. You decide how that picture aligns with your goals. Understanding skill gaps. Once you've identified a potential career direction, the next question becomes, what do I need to learn to get there? This is where AI can become an excellent career coach. Suppose you want to become a UX designer. You might ask, what skills do employers expect from entry-level UX designers compared to what most boot camps teach? Or, compare my current experience with typical requirements for a product manager role, and identify possible skill gaps. AI can help you identify missing skills, prioritize learning goals, understand industry expectations, create development roadmaps. This provides clarity and helps you focus your efforts where they matter most. Using AI for skill development. After identifying career goals and skill gaps, the next step is learning. Many students make the mistake of asking AI, teach me data analysis. While this might generate a lot of information, it often lacks direction. A better approach is to provide context. For example, I'm preparing for marketing analyst roles and need to analyze customer survey data. I have basic Excel knowledge but no experience with pivot tables. Help me create a learning plan and provide practical exercises. Notice the difference. This gives AI your goal, your starting point, your skill level, your intended outcome. The more specific you are, the more valuable the guidance becomes. Let AI act as a coach. One of the most effective ways to learn is to position AI as a coach. You can ask AI to create real-world practice scenarios, review your work, challenge your assumptions, provide structured feedback, simulate workplace situations. For example, act as a hiring manager and conduct a mock interview for a business analyst role. Or, review my project portfolio and provide feedback as a senior product manager. This allows you to practice in a low-risk environment while continuously improving. Preparing for job applications. Once you've started developing your skills, the next challenge is securing opportunities. Job searching involves several activities: researching employers, understanding job descriptions, creating resumes, writing cover letters, preparing for interviews, building professional confidence. AI can support each of these activities. However, remember one important principle. AI should help you tell your story, not create someone else's story for you. Resume and application support. AI can assist by helping you identify transferable skills, improve clarity and structure, highlight relevant achievements, match experiences to job requirements, but avoid simply copying AI-generated resumes. Recruiters increasingly recognize generic AI-generated content. What stands out is authenticity. The strongest applications reflect your actual experiences, accomplishments, and goals. Cover letters and personal branding. Similarly, AI can brainstorm ideas, suggest structures, improve tone, provide feedback. However, the final narrative should remain personal. Your career story is unique. AI can help organize it, but it should not replace your voice. Using AI for interview preparation. Interview preparation is one of the most valuable career applications of AI. Instead of merely reading interview questions, you can engage in realistic practice. For example, mock interviews. Act as a consulting interviewer and challenge me with case study questions. Behavioral interviews. Ask me behavioral interview questions and provide feedback on my responses. Technical interviews. Create beginner-level SQL interview questions and gradually increase difficulty. This type of practice builds confidence and improves communication skills. Applying AI fluency during career planning. Let's connect this process back to the AI fluency framework. Delegation. Use AI for research, brainstorming, and planning. Keep major career decisions under your control. Description. Clearly explain your goals, experience level, and aspirations so AI can provide relevant support. Discernment. Evaluate AI's advice critically. Just because a recommendation sounds convincing, doesn't mean it's right for your situation. Diligence. Use AI ethically and responsibly. Be honest about AI-generated assistance when appropriate and ensure any professional materials accurately represent you. Your professional identity matters. Throughout your career journey, one principle remains true. AI does not know you as well as you know yourself. AI can help with white heavy checkmark research, white heavy checkmark brainstorming, white heavy checkmark practice, white heavy checkmark feedback, white heavy checkmark skill development. But it cannot determine what fulfills you, what motivates you, what kind of professional you want to become. Those decisions belong to you. Your values, experiences, interests, and goals should always guide the process. AI fluency is becoming a career skill. There's one final point worth remembering. Learning how to work effectively with AI is itself becoming a valuable professional skill. Employers increasingly want people who can collaborate with AI, think critically about AI outputs, use AI responsibly, improve productivity through AI. In many industries, AI fluency is quickly becoming as important as digital literacy. The skills you're developing today will continue to create value throughout your career. Conclusion. Let's recap. To use AI effectively for career planning, explore career paths. Use AI to discover opportunities, industries, and emerging roles. Identify skill gaps. Understand what you need to learn and where to focus your growth. Develop skills. Use AI as a coach, mentor, and practice partner. Prepare for opportunities. Use AI to support applications, interviews, and professional development. Stay authentic. Allow AI to support your story, not replace it. Remember, career success doesn't come from having the best AI-generated resume. It comes from combining self-awareness, continuous learning, sound judgment, and effective AI collaboration. In a world where many people can access the same AI tools, your real competitive advantage will be your ability to use AI thoughtfully while staying true to who you are and who you want to become. Thank you and best of luck as you build a career that is both meaningful and future-ready.